1994 Chevrolet K1500 Z71, 69,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. Today we have a 1994 Chevrolet K1500 factory Z71 off-road package. This is a documented 69,549 actual mile truck, so just under that 70,000 mile mark, and it is super clean and has one hell of a look to it. Carfax is good, no accidents or damage ever reported. It's an actual mile truck at 69,550 as of right now. I do also have the original window stickers because there are two. Also have just a couple other little things with the truck. You'll see photos of that and the Carfax in the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. Click on this vehicle in the inventory tab, scroll to the very bottom, you'll see that additional media section. It's got all those goodies there for you guys to check out. As far as the driveline goes, it has your fuel injected 5.7, runs great. No real mechanical problems of any kind. Factory 4L60 overdrive automatic transmission. Truck you can hop in, cruise down the highway, drive every single day if you want to. Power steering, power disc brakes. AC has been converted to R134A and it blows really nice and cold. The heat blows hot. Just a really good truck mechanically. Still retains its original factory exhaust system as well, so it's not very loud. I know this truck is really cool and original, but for me I'd put some true duals and some flow masters on there. That's just my personal preference on sound, but right now the factory exhaust is in good shape. As far as the interior goes, it's code 13L, which is your gray smoke cloth bucket seat center console interior. Console's in excellent condition. These seats are super comfortable. I feel like I'm sitting on my grandma's couch right now, cruising down the highway at 65 miles an hour. Interior is very nice in this truck. The only notes I would say is where someone had a garage door opener or a mirror at one point. There's like two little indentations on the mirror here, or not the mirror, the visor. And then over on the very far left plastic on the driver's door, in front of the cloth portion of the upper door panel, there's two little holes drilled where they had something mounted at one point. Just very, very minor. The upper dash, the lower dash, all of that is in excellent condition. Steering wheel's in great shape. Factory gauge cluster with all your factory gauges, all of that stuff is working. Factory stereo as well. You do have your 4x4 selector on the floor. Carpet is in great condition. Floor mats are also super nice. You have a trailer brake controller under the dash. Haven't really messed with that all that much, but it is there. And then again, that really cool CV stereo, if I haven't already mentioned that. So you do have your factory vanity lights here, and you can see that one works, and the passenger side one works, so all that stuff is good to go. As far as the does it work section on this particular truck, basically everything is ready to go on this one except for the cruise control. I was unable to get that to engage. So cruise is listed as a no, but everything else is gonna be listed as a yes. That does it work section will be found in the additional media section on the website pcclassiccars.com. So make sure y'all check that out. It's got, again, all those good extra photos and that does it work section in there. But we are warmed up. Does everything you would want this truck to do. It performs like a brand new one out on the open road. Motor strong, transmission shifts great. I will say that the four-wheel drive system works exactly like it should. We're obviously in 2 high right now, but you have your 4 high and 4 low with your automatic locking hubs that these were born with. All that does function properly. On the underneath, extremely clean and solid pickup. The inner rockers, the floors, the bottom side of the cab, and the bottom side of the bed are all very solid. I see no rust issues, no rust problems, outside of just a little surface corrosion on your non-painted parts, but that's to be expected, especially for a truck that's a 1994 and has 69,000 miles. It's extremely clean on the bottom. As far as the exterior goes, I absolutely love the two-tone. It's teal green with quicksilver. That is the code that's on the window sticker. That's what they actually called the color for this truck. Does appear to be original paint. You do obviously have the really cool 90s style pinstripes all the way around the pickup. Front to back, you have your little stone chips, your little miscellaneous imperfections and nicks, but it still represents clean, That additional media section will have a bunch of really nitpicky small photos. I personally walk around and take photos of all the small stuff, so make sure you guys check that out. Wheels and tires are in great shape. Tires are 18s in the front and 19s in the rear. No dry rot, no cracking, no problems of any kind, nothing that I would worry about replacing. They do appear to be ready to go. Do have a drop-in bed liner in the back. Shows great, no issues with that. You could take it out and put a spray-in bed liner in there if you want to, or just leave the one that's in there because it does do its job. Glass is in great condition. Couple little stone chips. There's like one small little nick in front of the driver, and then a couple other small ones kind of around the pickup on the front windshield, but it's all little imperfections, nothing to worry about replacing. Power windows and power locks work. You have your pop open side rear windows in the back, and then you have your fixed back glass. No problems again with any of those. They all do their job, clear and easy to see out of. Manual side mirrors, and then you have your standard rear view mirror here in the center. Tiny little bit of haziness right in the dead center there, but that's extremely minimal. Suspension all checks out. It is your factory Z71 off-road suspension. This does have Bilstein shocks on it. Suspension checks out great. Doesn't pull you left, doesn't pull you right. This is a truck that I would personally hop in and drive every single day. If you're wanting a truck that's extremely reliable, which these are, and you don't want to mess with all the electronics of the new trucks, that's why these OBS Chevrolets and GMC trucks are so popular. They're something that go forever. You see them with 250, 300,000 miles all the time. Obviously, being a factory K10 or K1500, being a four-wheel drive truck is great. The only notes I would say is there's a little bit of seepage coming from the valve covers and the gearbox. Very minor stuff there. Nothing that, again, needs to be replaced, just a little disclaimer. But again, this is a truck that I would personally drive as my daily. When you pop the hood, it's all factory in there outside of the AC being converted to R134A. Charging system's doing a great job, no dead batteries, fluids all check out. If you don't know, over on the passenger side inner fender on these engine bays, there is a tiny little light that will wrap all the way around the truck basically, that you can use to kind of, if you're working on it or underneath the truck, the little light goes really far. Even that little light in the engine bay does work properly, and it's got a little crank for you to crank it back up. The driveline is the original motor. I did verify that. Again, it's an actual mile truck, being 69,000. There's so much life left in this thing, it's barely even broken in. I really like the overall kind of 90s vibe to it with the pinstripes. I think it's just cool with the two-tone. If you're gonna do anything, maybe do a little level kit. I love a white letter BFG, but there's no problem with these tires that are already on it. As you can see, I'm sitting here, I am super relaxed. I am just cruising around in this truck, and it is a lot of fun and easy to drive. Plastics in here are great condition. Console's in good shape. You do have your flip open glove box with your owner's manual, as well as your RPO codes in there. It's a factory coated exterior of this truck, as well as being a factory Z71. You will see photos of the RPO tag, as well as the VIN tag in that additional media section, if you do need to see that. And as always, I'm Michael. This is a 1994 Chevrolet K1500 Z71 off-road package with 69,557 actual miles. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we always appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again for watching.